My name is Taz, I'm 17 years old and I'm studying Level 3 Travel Tourism Aviation course. I chose that course because I'm really interested in the travel department in college, and also I want to become a flight attendant when I'm older. We have lots of practical elements, such as we do lots of demonstrations for the cabin crew unit, such as things like the safety demo, duty-free services in our cabin. So at college we have a mock air cabin it's all real aircrafts that have flown before, and it's sort of fully packed with everything that you'd need to help you progress in your course. So my plans after finishing this course is to go straight into a job, as this course helps me develop the skills. Yes, so I'm one of the members currently of the Student Union Executive Committee officers. So I am always actively participating in events and stuff, such as we do a monthly barbers, where the barbers come down and help cut hair, and I'm one of the organisers of that. So I find the social aspects of college really useful, as there's plenty of ways of making new friends. It's anywhere in college, from different courses to the same course, the same classes to different classes. And the staff are also really helpful and friendly if you need to make more friends.